I think right now, it looks like the UK university admission, they still put almost all the emphasis on academic performance. So you do a lot of these extracurricular activities, it would add value, but if the CV, let's say the transcript, not showing good grades, no. So this would still be primary factor for it. I think they should prepare to learn in an English-speaking environment. I think this is a huge change compared to normal most Chinese students in China. Different way of teaching may affect their learning experience. I would encourage people to get prepared to learn in an English-speaking environment, in an environment that you're being forced to do it. So then your brain get used to it. So therefore, KSS, this school, will be giving the environment like this. They need to be confident as well. They're all very hardworking. They all listen to their supervisor a lot. If they are in the UK education system, most people tend to be quite quiet, not willing to share their opinions because they might feel that they could be criticized. But I think this is quite an opposite to the European culture when people just naturally just speak and speak their mind, and then they're not afraid of being criticized. It doesn't really matter. It's all about having the exchange of ideas. I would like to encourage them to be more interactive, more willing to express their views, ask questions, because that would actually help them learn much more effectively. And if Chinese students embrace that, that would be really, really good. Creative thinking is so important, probably is the most important thing. Creative thinking would be one resources left in the human that we should keep if we try them. Sometimes, if you want to succeed in certain thing and you would like to find a creative solution for it, you don't look for the creative solution within that field. You need to go outside the box. So therefore, to be creative, I would encourage people to just try a lot of things differently. Not because they need to do well for those. It's just they need to try something else. Plus, I actually also want to encourage children to do competition. They need to go for competition. They need to suffer. They need to learn to lose. The losers learn big deal. So therefore, I would encourage children to do those. If they have all this mixture of skill sets, experience, then all these could help. So therefore, these will be what I would encourage them to be: creative, to be more robust, resilient, everything.